Sashimi salad is a refreshing appetizer made with raw salmon and crisp vegetable tossed with fresh lemon vinaigrette dressing. A chilled salad like this paired with a cold drink is the perfect way to revive your appetite on a hot summer day. Full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we make the dressing. Squeeze fresh lemon juice and add it to a small bowl with olive oil, salt, pepper, and sugar. Whisk and set aside. Next, we prepare the vegetables. Slice the onion very thinly using a slicer or by hand. Cut the mizuna greens in 2-inch length. You can also use arugula or any leafy greens if you can't find mizuna. Place the vegetable in a bowl and toss with the half of the dressing. Slice the salmon sashimi very thinly. You can also use other kinds of fish such as red snapper or tuna. Make sure you use the sashimi grade fresh fish. Arrange the vegetables in the center of a plate, then lay the salmon slices around them in a single layer. Just like that. Drizzle with the remaining dressing and sprinkle a pinch of ground sea salt to taste over the fish and serve immediately. It's important to chill all the ingredients separately and assemble just before serving. We hope you try this simple, light, and refreshing appetizer.
美味しい。美味しいね。